All right, guys, let's do a forward outlook. We'll keep it pretty short since it is a short week and today's a holiday. So happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. What we're looking at, as I said, we were looking for SPY 440 last week. We did end up getting it. And then I said we would look to mitigate this displacement down, which we have done. This coincided with the upper value area. So as you can see, we tapped the upper value area and then we started to, pull back on Friday as we went into options expiration. What I'd be looking for, so on the 20-day hourly, 427.48 is the level of interest. I would look to see if 437.34, if that level gives out or we trade down below that, I would look to run these lows here, which was a gap fill, and then down into the point of control 427.48, and then you have the gap fill down here as well if you're looking for continued downside down into 418.57. I think last week we did mention like the 419 level was the area that I was looking to pull back to. So as you can see, it would be, let's just throw a line at this high. Okay. So if you take that high right there, we ran it, pushed into that displacement, and then you would look to see if this can hold. So I personally do think that we are going to chop around this range for the next month or so. So that'll be between the 440 and the 419 level. I think a pullback is healthy and it would give bulls confirmation like, hey, this is a retest. Let's continue pushing up higher. But when we went long down here, I was looking to mitigate this. So this move has taken place. So I've actually liquidated most of my longs, and it was a pretty good run. So for this coming week, like I said, I'd be looking for some choppy price action, a little bit of a retrace. You're probably going to test this high again and generate some liquidity. Like I almost wonder if it could run the 450, but I do think we are going to head down. And that's pretty much my outlook for this week. I kind of, now that our price target has been hit, I would like to kind of sit around and just gather more information. All right. So if you're looking to buy the dip, you could try to buy at 437 with a 435.83 stop loss, maybe 436. But if that gives out, like I said, I'd be looking at this 427.48, and then the next level after that would be the 419. I don't think that you're in a bad spot if you'd like to long puts targeting back down to the 200 SMA and the point of control at 400. Typically, we do head back to that level after you've broken us, just like this. 3 days of death, this displacement down, trade back up into it. Look how it ran this low here, generated liquidity. This, if you trade Wyckoff, this would be your spring, and then boom, not only did you fill in this SIBI, but you actually ran the orders from there and there. Okay, so you could do the same thing on the reverse, kind of like this move here. Down, spring, ran the high. This is generating liquidity to run it back down. It's kind of hindsight though, right? It's real easy for me to say that, having seen what happened. So my only update for this week is to either trade lightly if you're going to be trading for additional upside. And if you are looking to trade the downside, I would look out at least 2 months. Okay. There's no point of losing all of that theta in chop, right? You're looking for a nice move. So look for a delta. If you're trading options, look for a delta of like 0.4 or higher, preferably 0.6, and take that with you into this coming week. But next Sunday we'll actually go into individual tickers. We'll take a look at what we'd like to see. All right, catch you guys next time. Just quick update.